Identifying rough gemstones involves several steps to figure out their type, quality, and if they're real. Here's a simple 5-step process. Number 1. Look at the color and clarity. Color. Natural gemstones come in many colors because of tiny amounts of other elements. Look at the overall color and any color patterns or visible flaws. Clarity. Look for how clear and see-through it is. Rough gemstones might have natural flaws or imperfections that are unique to each type. 2. Check the shape and size. Shape. Rough gemstones usually keep a more natural or rough shape compared to cut gems. Notice if it has smooth sides, edges, or sharp corners, which can give clues about where it came from. Size. The size can give hints, as some gems like diamonds or emeralds tend to form in certain sizes. Number 3. Check its hardness. Mohs scale. Do a scratch test using things with known hardness. For example, a steel nail has a hardness of about 6, while a sapphire, which is a 9 on the Mohs scale, will scratch it. This helps narrow down the type of gem. 4. Use a magnifying glass to look at the inclusions. Many rough gemstones have inclusions, which are small natural flaws like air bubbles, crystals, or other materials trapped inside the gem. These inclusions can help identify the gem. For instance, rutile inclusions might point to a sapphire or a garnet. 5. Do a specific gravity test. Density test. Use a scale and a measuring cup to find the gem's specific gravity. Each type of gem has a typical specific gravity that can help with identification. For example, a ruby has a specific gravity of about 4.0, while quartz has a specific gravity of about 2.65. These steps, along with knowing about common gemstones, should help you identify raw gemstones with a good amount of accuracy. For very precise identification, you might need an expert gemologist or special tools like a refractometer.